So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face with my ginseng moisturizer from Origins. And I'm going to take a generous amount because my skin lately has been really, really dry. And once that is all set in, I'm going to use my Nivea Post Shave Balm as a primer, and it works really, really good. This stuff is legit. So I'm going to go in with this Bobbi Brown palette, and then I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Naked. And I'm just taking this on a big fluffy brush, and it's just going to go into the crease. And then I'm going to bring it down to the lid as a base color. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Peanut Butter Jelly palette. And then I'm going to use this first shade, Peanut Butter, and I'm going to put that more in the precise crease, if you will. And I'm just going to work this into the crease just to kind of lay down that color. And now I'm just going to go in with a clean brush and blend this out. I'm going to take this Spread the Love color and I'm going to put that on the brow bone. There's a little bit of a highlight. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner also. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Peanut Brittle, which is shimmery, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And try to just keep it focused on the lid, not really taking it up to the crease. And now I'm going to go in with that Naked color again on a little bit more of a stiffer, fluffy brush. And I'm going to really blend out that Peanut Brittle color. And fill my brows real quick with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate. Sorry if I keep staring behind me. There is a storm moving in and you can kind of maybe hear the thunder. It is getting dark outside and it's like noon and I'm by myself. I really need to get my brows done. I normally do them myself, but I've been lacking on the brow trimming. I actually might go and get them threaded. I don't know. Okay, so brows are done. And then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I don't really feel too crazy about a full face of foundation today, but I'm going to put my tinted moisturizer on. It might be a little too dark for me right now. But we'll see. I'm going in with my Sigma Flat Top Kabuki F80, which I love. And we're just going to get this foundation going on. It might be a little too dark, but I might be able to lighten it up just a little. Not going in with any concealer. And by the way, this is the Illuminating Tinted Moisturizer. I'm just going to move right on in with my blush. And this is by Lorac, and this is one of their new buildable blushes, and this is in the color Cinematic, and it's a matte, and I love this blush. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, but with these, a little goes a long way. They're very buildable. So I'm just going to put a little bit of color on my cheeks. And a little up here, because I don't know, because I'm weird, I guess. And now I'm going to go over top of that with my Wet n Wild Rose Champagne Blush, which is kind of more of a highlighter. It does give off a subtle bit of color, but I want a little bit of glow on my cheeks. It's got some sparkle. You can't really see too well. It's got some sparkle in there. I'm going to go in with my mascara, which is just my Lancome Grandiose Mascara. Have fallen in love with this mascara since I found it because I lost it. But this has been kind of like my go-to everyday mascara. And you can hear thunder. And now for lips, I picked this up in the 500 Point Perk. It's from the new Tarte collection, and this is called Beach Bum. And it's really pretty. It's matte. And it is dark. That is darker than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh. So I don't really want, okay, we're gonna lighten this up a little bit. I'm gonna take my Buxom lip gloss in the color Sophia, and I'm gonna see if it's starting to rain. I'm gonna see if that's gonna take it down any. And not really. Not really, but gives a little something something. And then also from that 500 Point Perk, I have in the collections, the Rainforest of the Sea, I have the Marine Boosting Mist, this little sample that I'm going to try out. Oh, that smells so good. It smells really, really good. So this is the finished look. Again, it's whatever today. I decided to film quick, get ready with me. I'm going to try to hurry up and get ready and leave before this storm actually moves in. So we will see.